Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an LTD ESP lespaul coming in for a pro setup. Apart from that, the electronics has been replaced as well. So toggle switch together with the ports and the jack has been replaced. So this is pretty straightforward. I see you at the end of the video. Okay, bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got LTD ESP lespaul copy coming in for a pro setup. Other than that, this toggle switch also switched out. Ports will be switched out as well. Output jack also will be switched out. Okay, later on when you buy the knobs, these are volume, and tone. So this volume actually controls the bridge pickup. This volume controls the neck, and this is master tone. So yeah, so just take note if you want to buy the knobs, that's the one you want to get. 2 volumes and 1 tone. Okay, this is the bridge. Switch off, treble off. Treble on. This is the neck pickup, neck off, tone off, tone on. Okay, so this is the clearance test. Okay, down here there is some spots that is buzzing. So like this one, like that. So this one, the part not level. So if you want to play this part, which I highly think that you will be playing these notes around here, then of course you need to fret level. Then the other one is also here. This nut is actually a bit low in the center portion, so you might hear it buzz, but that buzzing doesn't go through the amp, but you will hear it. That one. Yeah. So if I give the neck a bit of relief, it will clear that note, but it's going to be pretty high. So again, it's the nut issue. You can raise it, but I rather you do a new nut lah. Okay, in terms of upgrades, maybe the next time you want to consider changing is the tuners. And if you can hear, it's slightly a bit noisy. I'm going to crank this up, you hear it's a bit noisy. Okay, so that noise, there's no shielding by the way inside. There's no shielding, so you want to consider doing that. Or the other one is of course to change the pickups, then yeah, it'll be sounding much better. Okay, good. Pretty much that's it. I see you when I see you. Thank you, bye. Okay, if you like the work, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to contact me, you can WhatsApp me on 84189951. Bye.